Today, I want to share a small but extremely useful trick for those who often buy pre-cut roast pork to bring home. That is, how to take the meat out of the box while still keeping its original shape, without shifting, without separating the pieces, and still looking as beautiful as when it was first cut. And the thing to say is that this method only requires 2 plates. It sounds simple, but is surprisingly effective. When I opened the box of meat, I saw that the pieces of meat had been cut into even slices. But if I used chopsticks to pick up each piece, it would always be out of line, out of shape, and sometimes even the crispy skin would come off. So the 2-plate trick is a miracle cure. First, I took a plate and turned it upside down on the top of the roast pork box. Cover it tightly, hold it firmly. Then just hold the plate tightly and flip it over, like flipping a cake. The entire roast meat will fall onto the plate intact, in the order it was arranged in the box. But it doesn't stop there. To make the main dish look more beautiful, I used a second dish, placed it face down on the meat again, and flipped it lightly one more time. With just 2 flips, very quickly, the roast pork was neatly placed on the dish. Not tilted, not spilled, not sloppy. It was still a solid square. Each cut was still sharp. When I put the dish down, I looked at the golden, crispy roast pork. The skin was still shiny. The pieces of meat were still attached seamlessly as if they were cut in place. The feeling was like, wow, it looks like a restaurant chef did it. What I like is that this method doesn't break the skin, doesn't cause the meat to burst out on both sides, and is incredibly fast. It only takes a few seconds to have a beautiful roast pork dish to display on the tray. No need to touch it, no need to edit it. If you are filming a culinary vlog or preparing a feast, a dish, then this 2-plate trick is truly the best. Clean, fast, and aesthetically pleasing. Looking at a beautiful plate of meat makes me happy.